Love guys, welcome back to another episode on our channel. Just got off work. Time's about 5:45, as you can see there. Get a timestamp on that. Yeah, so I'm just on my way to the plantation to harvest some taro for one of our clients who's asked if she could get some taro for tomorrow, which is Saturday here in Samoa, for the weekend. It's the Mother's Day weekend here in Samoa, so happy Mother's Day to all the mothers on our channel and who have come across our channel, or the young mothers, the old mothers, the soon-to-be mothers. Happy Mother's Day to you all. So yeah, just gonna see, we'll probably have some more taros as well for Sunday, our taro, and see what else we could find at the plantation for tonight, because tomorrow is going to be a busy day. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed today's content. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share our channel, and yeah, see you soon. So finally here at the plantation. Just gonna grab my knife. And yep, I'm gonna look at just noticed some of the pests around here, which is the mangwali, which is a small bird. Kind of looks like a chicken, but black and blue. It's usually a pest around here because it keeps eating the taro, and it only eats a little bit, but once they start eating it, then discard, because the taro still stays intact to the ground, so they only eat with their beaks a little bit and then move to the next taro, and as a result an entire taro is wasted because these damn birds. I saw a few of them just run out of the farm just now, so plantation. So just gonna try and see if I can find the taros they were eating. Unfortunately, I was trying to get some taro. I found a few of the taros that the mangwali was eating, but started pouring out of nowhere. So now I'm just sitting in the car waiting until the rain goes down. Can't afford to get wet because I have to drive the car back home of the seat, so I don't want to damage my car seat. So I'm just gonna wait till the rain goes off, till the rain finishes, and then I'll start harvesting some more taro. Alright, rain's gone, so I'm gonna harvest some taro now. Again, we're just focusing on the ones that are dying down. So most of this is all tiapula. The majority of the taro here is all tiapula. So yeah, it's a large bit of taro. We're still going to leave that one to grow. Tiapula. Taro. More like kauli. It's another kauli. There's still quite a lot of the 4-month variety, but I'm just trying to get as much of the other varieties, just so that we could use them. I'm gonna carry on around here. Try my best to record. Quite a lot to go through, so forgive me, guys, if I miss out on some stuff. But yeah, catch you soon. So, thought I heard it right. I heard dogs barking. Apparently it's Uati here, so Uati going to quickly finish up the job now. So I'm going to quickly clean up these ones here. Got a few in the front there, and Wati's got about 15 over there, so it should be good. Quickly do this now because it's getting dark, and we'll show you a bit when we get to the front. Just finishing up the taro now, then we'll probably head home. We mixed it up, the varieties, so that our client has a taste of the different flavors we have, the taro varieties. So got the Samoa, Fusi, Seiko, and got the talavave over there. So that's probably 180, 200 tala worth of taro. So we're going to break them down into bundles, and then see how much we can, how many bundles we can get. But our client has requested 5, so the rest we'll see what we can do. Should give it to family members, and also leave some for our Sunday tonight. But I guess that's it from me and Uati today. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share our channel. And yeah, we'll catch you on the next episode. Hopefully Uati's still here, hasn't left to Australia by then. So he's got an Australian girlfriend now. So sorry girls. Anyway, happy Mother's Day again to all the mothers out there. Samoa in the world, 685 to the world. We'll catch you again in the next episode. See you guys.